Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Mary Kay CC cream. Now, if you don't know what a CC cream is, it is basically a tinted moisturizer. It's great for days that you don't want to do like a full face of makeup, or for people who don't like doing a full face of makeup. It's going to cover up any redness or any blemishes and just even out your skin tone, but it's super lightweight and it's not as heavy as foundation. It feels like you're not wearing anything at all because it's really just a moisturizer. It's also great for your skin. So this specific Mary Kay one is Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15, which is really why I love it. It's great for like beach days or days where you're just going to spend a lot of time outside, because it also protects your face from the sun, and while also covering up I have like kind of reddish tones in my face, so it kind of just covers up the redness and gives me a nice even skin tone without my skin feeling like super heavy from wearing actual foundation. So this cream comes in 5 different shades. It comes in very light, light to medium, medium to deep, deep, and very deep. I have it in, probably can't see that, it says it's super light. I have this in a light to medium. That's what this one is. And it's just one of my favorite products that I have. It's very, very lightweight coverage, and it gives you just a natural, flawless looking complexion. It's just really nice to put on and not have to worry about any other makeup and still look like you kind of put a little bit more work than you actually did into your look for the day. So the thing that I love about this is that it's also good for your skin. It has several benefits and really great ingredients. One of the first ingredients, which I am just going to see if I can show you. Oh, it doesn't show it on there. But it's niacinamide and asorboglucoside, which is known to help skin's tone look more even and brighten the look of your skin. Then it also has vitamin E and a botanical extract which helps calm and soothe your skin. Has willow bark extract, which contains a natural source of salicylic acid. Emollients, which helps hydrate skin and provides nourishing comfort without feeling oily or greasy, which is my big thing with this. It also just gives your face like a really nice matte finish. And then it has powerful antioxidants including vitamin E and silymarin extract, and it just helps defend against skin damaging free radicals, which is really cool. So this is said to have 8 benefits in one product. It protects your skin, it brightens your skin, it corrects with lightweight coverage, minimizes redness, conceals, hydrates, reduces visible signs of aging, and it defends, which means the product, which is just again going over the antioxidants that it has, that just helps to defend against just the things in the environment that are damaging to your skin. So like I said, not only is this really great lightweight coverage on days when I don't want to do a full face of makeup, but it's also just really great for your skin overall. And I just really, really love this CC cream. So I'll open up the bottle. It's actually a pump bottle. So it has a little pump, and you just literally just do a couple of, I do like maybe 2 pumps for my whole face, and I just use my hand to rub it in like a moisturizer, because that's basically what it is. And it lasts, I've had this about 4 months, and I don't use it every single day. I use it maybe on like the weekends when I'm not going to work and I'm just like running around doing errands, so I don't want to do like a full face of makeup. So in comparison to like a mug, it's a pretty decent size. It's like maybe taller than a mug, just to like compare your size there. So it's a pretty decent size. It is a 1 fluid ounce bottle that it comes in. So it's also pretty portable. You can stick it in like your bag, and it's also small enough to take on your carry-on if you're going to be flying with it. It's small enough to fit in your little Ziploc baggie, and it'll get you through TSA without being searched, which is what's important, right? So yeah, and I can actually do like a little bit of a pump here just to show you how well it blends in. Just a little bit. It's really easy. The pump is really nice, and it's not like super, it's like a little bit harder to pump it, so which is nice because then you don't waste product, because it's very easy to get just a little bit out, just to get out what you need, and then just rub it in like a regular moisturizer. Can't even tell that I am wearing it. It feels really, really nice. It doesn't actually feel like I'm wearing anything at all. It feels like I am only wearing, feels like I just put like lotion on, and that is like exactly what I want sometimes on my face, or actually all the time. And like I said, some people actually use this as a primer, and it would work well as a primer as well. If you want to put this on before your foundation, then it's going to give you just even more coverage on your foundation and concealer and all of those other things. So yeah, just as a plain complexion corrector CC cream, I really love this product and I would definitely recommend it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.